This is the Four-Bar Linkage Calculator, which solves for the output angle and position of a four-bar mechanism given your input parameters. Let's walk through the 5 input fields. First, enter the ground link length L1, which is the fixed base link. Next, input the input link length L2, the driving link of your mechanism. Third, add the coupler link length L3, which connects the input and output links. Fourth, enter the output link length L4, the driven link. Finally, specify the input angle θ2 in degrees, which is the angular position of your input link. For this example, I'm entering 10 for all 4 link lengths and 10 degrees for the input angle. Click Calculate 4-bar linkage to see the results. The calculator provides multiple solutions for the output angle θ4. We get -90 degrees, -89.26 degrees, and 0.74 degrees, representing different possible configurations of the mechanism. The last output shows the position coordinates as 9.848, 1.736, giving you the exact location of the output link endpoint. This tool helps engineers quickly verify linkage designs without manual calculations. Find the link in the description below.